Hintayin na namin sila Chris kasi sabay-sabay kami lilipat to Thailand. My hand carry bag was actually 7.9 kilograms. Just activated my eSIM for Thailand. Boarding na kami.
Boarding na!
Sabi kami ni Perry. Tsaka ni Jim. Mas mainit daw dito kasi sa atin sa Philippines. I actually cannot try to sleep. Inaantok na ako. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kaunti lang yung tulog ko. 3 hours and 32 minutes. Yung sauce niya. Pero hindi siya kasing sarap na ina-expect ko. Pero okay naman. Yeah, mag-night market kami after mag-mall. Show. Diba? Hey guys, this is Rafael. You can call me Rafa. For today's video, we will be going to Thailand, and time check, it's already 4:30 a.m. We'll be going to Naiya, Terminal 3. Our boarding time is 8:30 a.m. but we'll be going there earlier because we don't want any hassle. Let's go. On our way to the airport. Hello, so hintayin na namin sila Chris kasi sabay-sabay kami lilipat to Thailand. Look at my cute passport holder. Shout out to you, Sailor Moon. Got our boarding pass. So yeah, Philippines to Thailand. My hand carry bag was actually 7.9 kilograms. So it is almost 8 kilograms and it exceeded like 0.9 kilograms. It was supposed to be 7 kilograms, but luckily the flight attendant allowed me in. We didn't have any problems, so yeah, thank you, Mr. Flight Attendant. Jim's hand carry was around 4 kilograms and mine was double his, so that was quite stressful, but yeah, we'll be eating and waiting for Perry and Chris. So, andito na sila Chris. Ayun. Fresh
at 6 a.m.
Hi guys, so si Perry ang bahala sa lounge namin. Bongga ni Perry eh. Mas bongga si Perry, no?
Bongga si Perry, kaya kumapit tayo kay Perry.
Okay, let's go.
Hindi kita sasama-sama.
Hindi mo na ako sasama.
Kami ng tatlo na lang nila Perry. Ano pong ganap niya? Okay lang kayo?
Pinakabahan.
Yun lang yung dala niya, very chill lang siya mag-travel. Hello, so we are currently in the lounge. Mag-wait kami bale for 2 hours kasi 8:30 pa yung boarding namin. And we're here na right now, time check, 6:39 a.m. So we'll be here for around almost 2 hours. Just activated my eSIM for Thailand. Yeah, so very excited. Hello, so we're near boarding for our 8:30 a.m. flight to Bangkok. Hello, boarding na kami.
Boarding na! Share na lang kami ng content
Yes.
as vloggers.
Yes. Hirap maging vloggers. Ang bigat ng bag ko. Pakita mo yung backpack mo, Mars.
Taburan niyo ako dito, ha?
Videographer.
Mars, may school bus.
School bus. Magkakaklase kayo, ah.
Gawa ko na ba assignment mo, girl?
Sabi kami ni Perry. Tsaka ni Jamie.
Kailangan sila mamaya.
So, we are close to landing and I just woke up. I don't know how many hours of sleep I had, but it was lovely and I'm good. Cabin crew is seated for landing. Nasa Thailand na kami, nag-land na, and palabas na kami ng airport. Yun lang. Galing ng cameraman ko, hinawakan niya ng mabuti. Videographer ko yan. And as you can see, we've landed. So, hello Thailand. You know, arrivals. Hello again, Thailand. Sobrang init dito. Sabi nga nila, mas mainit daw dito kasi sa atin sa Philippines. So, yeah, paglabas mo pa lang, sobrang sasalubong na kagad sa'yo. Sobrang mainit na hangin. And now we're just waiting for our service papunta sa hotel. I'm so excited to explore this beautiful country kasi I've heard great things about it. Yeah, excited na akong magtulog din kasi hindi pa ako masyadong natutulog. So, let's go. We're on our way to our hotel. Hi, we are already in our hotel. So far it looks so good and nice. And I actually cannot wait to sleep. Inaantok na ako. Yeah. Hello guys, so seems like hindi pa ako makakatulog kasi lalabas pa nga pala kami para kumain. Pero grabe, kung makikita nyo sa watch ko kung gaano ka-ikli yung tulog ko, pinagsama na from last night. Yung last night na tulog ko, I mean not last night actually, kaninang umaga, yung tulog ko kaninang umaga, and yung tulog ko sa aeroplano. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaunti lang yung tulog ko. 3 hours and 32 minutes. Grabe. So, almost 3 hours lang yung tulog ko. almost 3-4 hours. And grabe yung antok ko. Actually, sinisipon nga ako kanina, sumasama yung pakiramdam ko kasi nga ganun ako kapag kulang yung tulog. So, yeah. Pero excited ako kumain actually. Medyo energetic pa naman ako. Gusto ko lang matulog sana. Pero very excited akong tikman yung mga food. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami kakain. I'm not really sure if signature Thai cuisine na kagad or like kung anong mga random na pwede namin kainan. So, let's go. Ayun, naglalakad na kami para kumain. Kain tayo. Hindi natin alam kung saan pa kami kakain. So, ayun. Kahit nga dyan sa mga gilid-gilid, Mars, parang masarap kumain. Eh. I just realized na wala pala akong... Ngayon ko pa hindi dala yung payong ko. Tapos di pa ako nagre-reapply ng sunscreen. So medyo delikadong init. Ayun, papalit muna kami ng money. Now. So, pasok kami na sa mall. Hindi ko alam kung anong mall to. So, hindi pala kami same ng kakainan. So, ikot-ikot kami kung saan kami kakain. Kami bahala. Where are we gonna eat? Oh, daming pasalubong. Ang daming kainan, nakaka-overwhelmed. So I settled for this boiled chicken with fried chicken. Let's try. Let's eat. Let's go. Mahal yung sauce niya. Very flavorful. Sarap ng drink.
First night.
Thank you, love. Binila niya ako ng drink. Sarap ng chicken. Anghang.
Ito ba?
I love it. Traditional milk tea. Sarap. Yeah, sarap.
Pero alam mo sa kalya, ano lang, 13 ba ito?
We're gonna buy dessert or any snack after eating. Kasi syempre, kailangan yung Omega ng Pop Mart. Pupunta tayo ng Pop Mart. OMG, I wanna try this. Ito yung nadaanan namin kanina na gusto ko natin. The mango sticky rice with the Thai soft coconut crepe. 70 baht? Okay. Thank you. Sir, kamusta po? Are you Filipino?
No.
Are you not Filipino?
Espanyol.
Espanyol. Okay. Are you Filipino?
No.
What are you?
Brazil.
Brazilian.
Olivia Culpo.
Ganda.
Yakulpo.
Siya naman yung bibilan ko ng dessert kasi siya bumili ng drink ko. One sago and sweet corn? Yeah. Yes. Now, taste test na natin tong Thai coconut crepe with mango sticky rice inside. And sago and corn. This one, sago and corn. Patikin muna ako nung kanya.
Wala, ako yan eh.
Opo, sa'yo to. Tikman ko lang. Yum! Very creamy. Tapos yung sago, tapos yung corn. Sarap. Hindi siya masyadong matamis kasi ayaw niya na matamis eh. So, perfect sa kanya yun. Ito namang sa akin, yung coconut crepe. Mukha siyang masarap kasi kanina pagkadaan namin dito, gusto na kagad siyang tikman eh. Parang di bagay yung pantusok nila dun sa food kasi mahirap siya kunin. Kamayin ko na lang siya. Malinis yung kamay ko, huwag kayong mag-alala, nag-alcohol ako. Let's try.
Oh, dude.
Sarap naman. Pero hindi siya kasing sarap na in-expect ko. Pero okay naman. Parang medyo malansa siya. Wala siyang sauce. Medyo malansa yung...
Amoy ng coconut.
Yeah, yung amoy.
May rice?
Yeah, you know, sticky rice inside.
May oil ba yan? Bakit ginano niya sa oil?
In mango. Okay naman siya, pero mas gusto ko yung kanya. Mas masarap yun. Sago and corn. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. Mag-check-in na kami. Kasi 2 p.m. yung check-in namin. Kaya umalis muna rin kami para kumain. Pero yun, alis muna kami now. And sinasabi ko to now kasi mag-charge muna ako ng camera. And I'll see you in our hotel. Hello guys! So, ito ang aming hotel room. I'll show it to you. Very quaint space for our 3-day stay. Kasi lilipat kami ng hotel ng April 3. And now it's March 31. So, pagpasok mo ng pinto, bathroom agad yung sasalubong sa'yo. Ayan siya. Actually, nagulat ako kasi ang laki niya, oh. Malaki siya. Akala ko maliit lang noong una. Andito yung toilet. And then, we have a mirror here. Yung sink. Tapos, paglabas mo ng CR, meron ka ditong closet. Pwede kang mag-hang ng clothes. And dito yung mga gamit, lalagay, gamit. May free coffee. Meron nung electric kettle. And then, TV. And then, ayan, ito yung bed. Tapos, again, meron tayong mirror. Tapos, dito, merong isang malaking window. Then, may pinto dito na hindi na ata part ng room namin. Merong balcony. Gulat ako, may pinto. And then, meron palang balcony dito. Ayan siya, maliit na balcony. And then, ayan, pwede ka lumabas, tumingin. Pero very nakakatakot siya kasi wala siyang railing, oh. Ayan, ang baba niya. Ayun yung hotel namin. Pag-stay namin for 3 days, then lipat kami sa April 3. Yeah, April 3. Pahinga muna kami, freshen up, and we'll see you guys later. Matutulog ata kami and whatnot, so... Hey, kagigising ko lang, and mababa kami now para bumili ng panghilamos, and iba pang toiletries siguro. Para makapag-ayos na kami and ayos kami later. Tara. Hello, cut na. Nasa elevator kami ulit pero paalis na ulit. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung 7-Eleven namin. Kasi na-realize ko na mag-haul kami. So, hindi ko na binlog. But now, we're on our way to the mall. Kasi sundan namin sina Chris. Yun, mag-night market kami after mag-mall. Hello! We're on our way home. Hindi ko na rin vlog yung pagtingin-tingin namin kasi wala rin naman kami binili. Maybe tomorrow pa or sa ibang araw kasi matagal pa naman kami dito. Hindi ko pala nasabi, we'll be here for a week. So, ayun. More than a week? So, ayun. Mas matagal kami dito. So, tingin-tingin lang muna. Then, siguro sa mga susunod na araw, if may magustuhan kami, we'll do it. Hello guys, so this will be the end of my first vlog here in Thailand. I decided to cut it here na kasi hiwalay na yung vlog doon sa night market. So you will see me in the same outfit. Pakiabangan yung vlog ko sa night market later, but you will see hiwalay siyang segment. Abangan nyo yun kasi magtitest ako ng foods and titignan natin kung pasado siya sa akin. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces!